Hello, my dear friends. Namaste to the entire student community. And here I am, B.S. Krishna Varma, faculty in ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online, as we are going to talk about the preparation strategy for RRB JE, and I am talking about especially electrical engineering and its allied branches. Today, we will be talking about what is RRB, that is Railway Recruitment Board and Junior Engineer, and what is the role of electrical engineer in this great job of Indian Railways. As you know, these days getting a government job is considered as number one, the most secure, reliable, happy, because there is no pressure. That does not mean that you are not committed. You should be more dedicated, as it is a service-oriented job. You should minimize the corruption. You should do a lot of maintenance and service on time, but definitely excellent salary and lot of security. You will have lot of time to enjoy your personal and professional life. So that is a great thing about these government jobs. Myself, B.S. Krishna Varma, senior faculty here in ACE Engineering Academy since 2009, would like to discuss a lot about this course, as in our ACE Online, we already launched this course, please. So please do subscribe. There are a lot of discounts going on, which I will be talking with you. But let us first talk about what is RRB, what is your role as electrical engineer, and how to prepare and crack such a great exam. Determination. Yes, determination, the quality of being determined. Firmness of purpose. So first have such determination. Patience. Now this is what I believe that this generation is slightly lagging. Is it true? Can I say that? No. Yes, you should have a lot of patience. Patience, the capacity to accept or tolerate delay, problems or suffering without becoming annoyed or anxious. Because this is not your university exam, sir. This is not your diploma exam or university exam, limited syllabus. You can have choice. These are competitive exams. So first you should have determination, and second, lot of patience. Consistency in preparation. You cannot just prepare for 1 month, 2 months. Though we offer a very precise, accurate course, but let us start preparation as early as possible, because you need to read lot of content. And this exam has 2 stages, which I will be discussing with you. So yes, you should have determination and lot of patience, please. Now we are into online coaching, online teaching and learning platform. What is this? Yes, ACE Online. The reason we are focusing on that is e-learning is changing, and we will see new models, new technologies and designs emerge. So let's drop the E, or at least give the new and wider definition. So let us not call today e-learning online platform. That has become the platform of learning now. So let us drop the E. What is the meaning of this? Let us drop the E means now today this is the learning platform. Here in ACE Online, previously ACE Engineering Academy, we used to even have and continue that. But the truth is, online learning and teaching platform after COVID has tremendously taken off in India, and it is more reachable to the students and more affordable to the students. So e-learning is changing the way we learn and we also teach. Let us accept that. So this is a proverb given by this great author and engineer. Now the agenda for this slideshow, everybody, now this is something to be discussed today. What is the agenda? What is the thing I am going to discuss? Yes, the agenda today is preparation strategy for RRBJE, RRBJE overview, which we call SEN. I will tell what it is. Okay, employment news, common employment notification we call. Work profile in RRBJE, especially electrical engineering. RRBJE selection process and exam pattern. Syllabus analysis in general, total, and then electric circuits, which is my subject. Recommended books and materials about ACE Online. Suggestions for RRBJE aspirants, which is for electrical and allied engineering. So this is my strategy today, or this is the plan what we are going to discuss. So yes, you should have a lot of patience. So 1 hour from now, a deep discussion and thorough understanding about this exam and a perfect strategy, material, books, what we serve to you from ACE Online. All these details we are going to talk with you. So let us have some patience and lot of focus. So stay tuned, don't get disturbed, okay? Put all your TV volume, etc. down and watch here carefully. Now RRB JE, yes, Government of India, it is from the Indian Railway Recruitment Board. Railway Recruitment Board, and it is junior engineer. Now most of the information towards this slideshow I got from this CEN, Detailed Centralized Employment Notification. What is the meaning of CEN? Centralized Employment Notification released by, yes, Government of India, Ministry of Railways. I took lot of data from this available thing from internet and also from the original website of RRB, and also we have got so many previous 2015 notification, 2021 notification, etc. Altogether a very accurate data I am going to present, and based on this data let us expect what may happen this year, next year or upcoming future. Yes, this is an exam conducted by Railway Recruitment Board, Indian Ministry of Railways, and we from ACE Engineering Academy, ACE Online, we are launching this course. We already did launch with great discounts and detailed thorough syllabus and very accurate syllabus, covering everything with PYQs, that is previous year's questions. Now this overview, what is this RRB? Railway Recruitment Boards or RRB is under the jurisdiction of the Ministry of Railways under the Railway Recruitment Control Board. The board is under the jurisdiction of the Government of India and conducts various recruitment examination for post of assistant loco pilot, non-technical and technical category, Group C, Group D and other posts in the departments of officers of Indian Railways. So there are a lot of things. So this RRB is not just one. In that, what is the role of electrical we will focus, but it is recruiting altogether a lot of posts, starting from matriculation to even graduate, postgraduate. So there are a lot of things, and it is also indirectly linked with Indian Engineering Services, ESC. So there is also link there, okay? Then there are total 21 RRBs in India, okay, functional in the country with headquarters in New Delhi. So this RRB, okay, is not from a single body, yes, though it is a together collective body, but there are 21 segments, 21 RRBs, and each can have their own notification based on their local area, depending upon the population, recruitment, how many retire, etc. So in India there are total 21 RRBs, okay, and the headquarters is in Delhi. The exams conducted under RRB are RRB NTPC, RRB ALP, RRB JE, RRB Group D, for which notifications and related circulars will be released on the official website of RRB. But see here, I am highlighting this RRB NTPC and RRB JE because that is where the technical electrical engineer role is coming. There are other RRB ALP, RRB Group D, that is for matriculation, 10+2, other areas. Okay, that is maintenance of coaches, cleaning process, that is in constables, railway security, okay, that is other way. Ticketing sources, outsourcing, some of them are contracting jobs, contract jobs, etc. But overall, this RRB NTPC and RRB JE is where especially electrical engineers have a lot of role to do. Okay, that will be focusing these two areas. But there are 21 RRBs. Now this is the official website. Keep visiting, sir, because 2023 notification yet to come. It is pending. Actually, generally it comes in the month of March, but still it did not come. So keep looking, continue generally around March, but sometimes August, September also it comes. It is generally March, April. But yes, the official website is this, indianrailways.gov.in. And for example, yeah, I am from Telangana and South Central Railways. Secunderabad also comes under, and this is a website of RRB Secunderabad. Like RRB Pune is there, RRB, Kolkata, so many are. So there are so many, they have total separate websites. Keep looking because every individual RRB segment can release their own notification because it is Indian Railways is a very big sector. Lakhs and lakhs of government posts are available. Thousands of posts every year come. Every month they come based on the people who retire, etc. So keep looking into it. Not only the main website, but also, yeah, all the 21 RRBs. Yes, this is another example, but this is the original website. From there you get links here. So this is the view of RRB website. Now in that, keep looking into news and recruitments. Okay, keep looking, because a fresher or a student who is aiming such job, keep looking there. Okay, what are all the notifications coming up, exams that is coming up, okay, all these things, please look into it. Then recruitment of junior engineer, information technology, depot material, superintendent, chemical and material. So mostly in this entire segment of RRB recruitment, engineer comes under these areas: junior engineer, information technology, depot material superintendent, chemical and metallurgical design. But I am talking mostly about electrical, which comes here, and RRB NTPC also. Now, yes, electrical, you can see what is the work, what sort of maintenance work, etc. But these are the 21 RRBs here. Okay, I am talking, for example, Southern Hubli, Mumbai, Kolkata. I was talking about that Bhubaneswar. Okay, so there are some, but the main is in Delhi. The headquarters is in Delhi. Then, yes, these are the total 21 RRBs. Okay, so Ahmedabad, Ajmer, Allahabad, Bangalore, like that. Okay, Kolkata, Mumbai, Patna, Ranchi, Secunderabad, etc. Now, what is the overview of this exam? We are talking specifically RRB Junior Engineer exam. Conducting authority is Railway Recruitment Board, that is Indian Railways, Ministry of Railways. Name of the post: junior engineer IT, depot materials, etc. But this is what we will be focusing. Advertisement number this year yet to come. That number will come in that CEN. Job category: engineering and also diploma. Okay, this is diploma and also engineer. Both are eligible. Exam type level, all India level, and number of vacancies yet to be notified. But there will be thousands of notifications, thousands altogether. Each RRB together, if you add all 21 in a span of 1 year, 1 academic year, there will be at least 30 to 35,000 jobs. Okay, please understand. Okay, so this is what we are talking about, this exam, and who is conducting, what are the specific posts. Okay, yes, job category engineering and also diploma jobs, and this year notification yet to come. So this all depends upon how many retire, how much is Indian Railways expanding, on all these bases, sir. It is not that it is periodic, not that every year it may come, but mostly this last few years it is consistently coming, and March, April is the way notification and everything process will be completed by September, October. So generally the notification comes in March, April, 2 levels, and entire recruitment process will be completed by September, October, and you will get the call letter also. But sometimes delayed by few months, that all depends, okay, because government bodies have to take a decision. Then eligibility: 3 years diploma in engineering or bachelor degree in engineering and technology. So that is where we are all very famous, sir. ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online, we are specialist here. See, what are the requirements? 3 years diploma in engineering or bachelor's degree in engineering and technology. Now that is where we are very special here actually. Yes, electrical engineering or combination of any substream of basic streams of electrical. So why he said electrical and allied engineering? What is the reason? Generally, some university call EE electrical engineering, some university calls EE electrical and electronics engineering, some universities have electrical and computer engineering, electrical and mechatronics. Okay, there are so many branches. So electrical and allied engineering, so all are eligible. So basic degree should be electrical and electronics, electrical and control, electrical and communication, electrical and mechatronics, so electrical and control engineering. So all these come under allied branches. And also my subject specifically, though generally this is about electrical science, my subject also comes under electronics, which I will discuss later. But I am talking specifically about electrical engineering branch today. Yes, I am talking about this branch. Okay, then RRB selection process. But you should understand, yes, it is also there for electronics and allied engineering branches also, where electronics, instrumentation, control, communication, computer, they are also eligible. Lot of vacancies come, sir. And you know, signal processing, PLCs, automation also required in Indian Railways. So lot of jobs even for ECE, information technology, electrical. Of course, mechanical, civil I am not talking, but they are also more in number. Let us focus on especially electrical engineering and electronics. Now, selection process. Now, what is the main selection process for this RRB JE? What are the steps involved? Yes, RRB JE 2023 selection process will be something like: first RRB JE CBT 1, okay, computer based test 1. Which subjects are there, general subjects, etc., that I will talk. RRBJE CBT 2 computer based test 2, this is technical. This is where bulk of marks, most of the weightage exists there. That is where electrical paper will be there for electrical students, mechanical paper for mechanical students. What is the pattern, how many marks, native marking, etc. we will discuss in detail. But yes, RRBJE, CBT 1 and CBT 2. Then document verification. Once you clear these two stages, then there will be document verification. Okay, like your qualifying degree certificate like BTech, or if it is diploma, caste certificate if there is any physically handicapped, sports. These days sports quota they have removed, but generally, and medical examination is the final thing. Then you will get posting. Now RRB official website, which I already gave, and also all 21 RRBs have their independent websites also. You keep looking there, because based on the local area, they have their right to release a notification in that local area if that sector has some vacancies as some people retire. So keep looking everywhere. Okay, like 2023 RRB general notification did not come, but 2023 RRB NTPC came in Secunderabad, South Central Railway. See sir, I am telling again. So RRBJE general notification did not come yet, but RRBJE NTPC related notification already came and the process is going on. That way you need to look. But the main RRB 2023 is yet the notification to come. Now, who is eligible? Okay, what is the nationality? First of all, residents of India, subject of Nepal or subject of Bhutan. See this. And a Tibetan exile who approached India before the 1st January of 1962 with the expectation of all time getting comfortable in India, or an individual of Indian beginning who has relocated from Pakistan, Burma, Sri Lanka, Eastern African countries of Kenya, Uganda, and Union Republic of Tanzania, Zambia, Malawi, Zaire, Ethiopia, and Vietnam, with the goal of all time getting comfortable in India. Okay, so there are a lot of migrants. Okay, migrants came. Now after 1962 we stopped it, but these people who already came and settled, they are now Indians. So this is eligibility, main resident of India. Then this is the events. Okay, see this 2023 yet to come. But what are the events? First of all, release of RRB official notification, that is CEN, okay, employment notification that will come. Commencement of application process, it is an online process please. Yes, RRBJE application now is online, not offline. Last date for RRB recruitment, admit card they will release, RRB examination and RRB results. So this is a process, typical process of this recruitment. But this time dates did not come. But some old data I want to review. Now this is an example of old data, which is notification SIN, that is Centralized Employment Notice SEN number 03/2018. 03 means March. Around March it came. See this. Okay, date of publication. Publication came on December, but online registration starts in January. Closing of online January 31st. Closing of offline payment, closing of online payment, closing of submission, and first stage is around April, May. That is what I am trying to say. So in 2019 it came, it is around April, May exam. So generally March, and also the exam starts at April, May. So April, May exam is there. Now dates of CPTs of recruitment process shall be intimated through Railway Board, websites listed and para off. So that is what, please understand, he clearly mentioned. What is the, see even after notification come, there may be changes, there may be holidays, there may be clash in exam. So you keep on looking, but typically, okay, by April, March, April, and in May, the exam should be done, but this time it is slightly delayed. Then this is another example I want to give you. This is also, yes, from the original Railway Recruitment Board website, which came in January 2015. Okay, so yes, 19 and 15, yes, it came there. Now here also date of publication, date and time of closing, okay, and it is between, the exam is between 22nd August to 5th September. So these are the typical dates. So there is no guarantee it will come specifically, but definitely generally every year it comes, and lot of posts depending upon how many retire, etc. Then based on the detailed centralized employment notification, that is SEN 01/2019, which I showed you, the scale of pay. Now that is the main thing, na sir. Finally, money. For we want to work, to earn, to establish, be self and dependent. Okay, independent I call. So from transforming yourself from a student to employee is a big change in life. And the big thing which measure our success is salary, of course. We want to happy salary. See, money is not everything, but definitely money can do a lot of things. So at this age, once you complete your diploma or engineering, you need to support your family, you need to be independent. So salary will be the most important parameter to justify that. Now see this, the scale of pay. For junior engineer JE, junior engineer information technology, depot material superintendent and chemical and metallurgical assistant, level 6, okay, that is pay revision 7th pay commission in central government. We say initial payment of 35,400 plus other allowances, travel allowance, LTC, leave encashment, okay, PPF, EPF, okay, medical leaves, you double it, generally, typically double it. Okay, my father retired from BHL, RCPRM and now is not there, but double it, okay. So if 35,400 approximately, okay, at least 80% more, I may not say exactly, but almost double. If you double also, it is around 65 to 70,000, because other allowances, house rental allowance, transport allowance, so many perks will be there, sir. So please understand, these jobs in central and state government are wonderful. Okay, you need not worry much about money. The facilities are more important. You can relax and enjoy. No need to worry about money in life. Money will come, which is self-sufficient, more than sufficient, but medical policies, medical insurance, family getting treatment in top, medical hospitals in case of any emergency. We never wish, but see the facilities they give, tremendous. So this RRB starting is 35,400, okay, but other allowances, you approximately 80% add it. Add 80% with 60,000 plus only, 65 to 70,000. Then work profile as electrical engineer in RRB JE. Yes, as electrical, what are the roles? Now this is very interesting, sir. So this information I got from some of my gurus and colleagues who are working there. From them I got this information, what electrical engineer role is exactly about. The candidate selected as per junior engineer in RRB electrical is responsible for maintenance of electric locomotives, equipped overhead and traction, that is control of speed at which the drive will spin, distribution, lighting, air conditioning of the train, power supply, safety systems, battery system maintenance, PLCs, DLW engines. So specifically, what is the role of electrical? Pure core jobs, sir. Wonderful. You will be talking about motors, traction systems, power electronic drives will learn. Yes. We also talk about power system, okay, maintenance, all substations maintenance. Today, everything is electrifying, you know that. And these engines are DLW engines. Please understand. Diesel electric locomotives, sir. See, don't misunderstand. Olden days steam engine, burning coal is not the technology today. And diesel engines also are routed. Diesel electric locomotives. Direct diesel burning and that engine vibrations are also not good. What they are doing, a diesel engine will generate electricity and that is again driving motors. So these are called diesel electric locomotives. So most of electrical students have a misconception. Sir, steam engine technology is gone. Vibrations, etc. Diesel engines, pure diesel like car, they burn pistons, but that is inefficient. But DLW means diesel electric locomotives. So the diesel engine, like our generator, diesel generators are the DG sets we say na. So the diesel engine is providing the mechanical power to rotate the alternator, and that is generating electrical, and from that they are giving motors, and motors means smooth control, excellent control. So these are called diesel electric. DLW means diesel electric locomotives. Okay, so diesel engine is driving electrical generator and electrical generator driving electrical motor. That is the beauty, sir. So diesel electric locomotives, that is why tremendous control. Today it is a different level, please. So the job are this. So what electrical engineering? That is the maintenance of electrical locomotives, equipment of overhead traction system, control of speed, air conditioning, lighting, distribution. So pure hardware core job, passionate to job. You always be working with multimeters, cutting player, okay. But as you go senior, you will be into administration, sir. But initial 10 to 12 years or 15 years, you have to work. That is a great passion to work, okay. Great passion to work as electrical engineer. That is the meaning. Then vacancies, yes. Vacancies will be determined in due course, of course. This year yet to be, declared. Updated vacancy position will be uploaded in the website. But what is the status, I will tell you. So vacancies, you keep looking into this. For example, 2019, yes, these are the vacancies. You see here, RRB JE 12,900 post. In that electrical, some 3,000, 4,000 jobs will be there. Electrical, mechanical, civil, metallurgy, etc. But RRB JE IT, Depot Material Superintendent, Metallurgical Chemical, etc. But RRB JE alone is 12,900 posts. So that is the sample I give, which came in 2019. That notification, these are the vacancies that time. Then the number of vacancies varies every year. It is expected that more than 1,30,000 vacancies will be available for RRB recruitment during 2023 and 2026. Now this is the data I am giving you. Okay, see, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has promised lot of things and elections are coming, so be ready, sir. Whatever it is, whether you think politically or non-political, yes, definitely there are a lot of posts. And some of my seniors, some of my people who working there, they told that lot of people are retiring in the next few years, 3 to 5 years, lot of old people. Retiring means old people. So if that batch retires, more vacancies will come. That is what we heard, that lot of posts are coming, somewhere 1,30,000. Of course, in that 1,30,000, I cannot say all are RRB JE. RRB JE will be a percentage of it. But all Indian Railways jobs, so many are coming between the year 2023 to 2026. This is the latest news. Okay, because so many are retiring and railway recruitment boards have promised that there will be lot of vacancies in the upcoming future. So be ready, sir. So what you do, preparation is in your hand. Don't worry when the notification comes, but whenever it comes, you should be ready for it. So start your preparation now. Don't wait for the date, because sometimes notification may be early and within 2 months they may conduct the exam. You will not have much time. See, once notification comes, then you want to start preparation is a bad idea. So better start now and be ready. Once the notification comes, you can revise, be perfect and beat the competition, because these are competitive exams. Okay. Then details of post. Now that is what we know. Yes. RRB NTPC 35,227. SI Constable 9,739. Group D post. ALP. Paramedical staff. RRC Group D. Junior Engineer. See 14,000. So altogether there are so many posts lining up. So be ready, sir. That is what is the information. Reservation as per the rule. Yes, reservations as per the rule, sir. We have that same rules. The notification will give based on the SC, ST, OBC, creamy layer. They have reservations. So we should respect that. Then age limit 18 to 33 years. Okay. Yes, generally age limit. See, I told you, sir, 10 plus 2, 10th and 10 plus 2. Okay. ITI diploma level 10 plus 2 and 16 years is generally 10th. So 10 plus 2 and until 33 years for most of the post. Okay. So 18 to 33 years, most of the post, but relaxation exists for special categories. Now age relaxation is there. I will show you that slide. Essential educational qualification or experience for JE is, this is important. 3 years diploma in engineering, electrical engineering, or bachelor degree in engineering and technology. So all my EEE EC students, they always keep saying, sir, where are the jobs? There are a lot of things if you look into. Okay, writing GATE, ESC, Genco, Transco, fantastic. But in case you want to get even this, yes, they are fantastic. Pay scale is similar. Okay, similar, sir. Not in par with them, but similar. Lifestyle is similar. Enjoying the core job is similar. The same way maintenance services. Please look into it. So this is a very serious area where most of the electrical and electronic people are not focusing. But in fact, most of the jobs come from this area, from Indian Railways. Because out of all Maharatnas and Navaratnas, Indian Railways is the top performing sector in India, and lot of vacancies, and it is the biggest railway network in entire Asia. You know that. So please look into it and take it very serious. So the essential qualification is diploma in engineering of 3 years or bachelor degree in engineering or technology. Of course, very important note, final year students of degree diploma are not eligible to apply for this RRBJE. See, unlike a ESC exam or a GATE exam, final year students cannot be applied. You have to completely pass, get your original certificate, we call OD, and then only you can apply here. Final year students cannot be or not eligible for this exam. So that is the first thing you know. Then, yes, as I told, relaxation for some, just briefly I will discuss, like OBC non-creamy layer. You know the meaning, sir, those who are below poverty, non-creamy layer, another 3 years, SC, ST 5 years. So already you know age is from 18 to 33. For example, SC, ST plus 5, until 38 years you have the opportunity. So great opportunity, don't miss them. And OBC non-creamy layer, plus another 3 years. So until 3 years means 33 plus 3, 36 years. Ex-servicemen candidates who have put in more than 6 months of service. So some people join NCC and some people join Indian Army. They do service to the nation. They also have, yes, lot of, for unreserved 33 plus number of years of service. See that is great, na, sir. If I suppose do 5 years service in Indian Army, so 33 plus 5, 38 years I am eligible. So see that. Okay, in defense plus 3 years, OBC 36 years plus number of years service, SCST 38 years plus number of years of service in defense plus 3 years. Tremendous, na, sir. Great, na, sir. Okay, so such things who will give? So yeah, and also physically handicapped, see, unreserved 10 years. That means 33 plus 10, 43 years he is eligible to join such companies if you are interested. So, and OBC, SCST, if they are physically handicapped and this. And candidates who have ordinarily been from Jammu and Kashmir during the period of 1980 to 1989, for them also a lot of relaxation. Okay, candidates who are serving Group C, Group D Indian, that means they are already part of Group C, Group D, they want to come to RRBJE, they also have a lot of reservations. Okay, relaxations, I will say. Okay, that is a great thing. Okay, if you go further, women candidates, widow, divorced or judicially separated from their husbands, see, up to 35 years, 38 years, 40 years. Okay, then candidates who are working in quasi-administrative office of Indian organization within the sector. So already who are in Indian Railways and they want to go further into more reliable, more high-paid jobs like RRB JE, they are also having a lot of relaxations. Okay. Then scheme of examination. Now this is where everyone please concentrate. Okay. Now this is what we are really discussing here today. The scheme of the exam. There are 2-stage computer-based test. So this has become online, sir, now. The old way of offline, correcting, manual error, corruption, all this has gone down. There will be 2-stage of CBT, computer-based exam, okay, or computer-based test. Marks will be normalized as per the formula. Now see, what is happening is, because it is a computer-based test and lakhs of students write, they are conducting in stages, sessions. This Sunday, suppose, for example, this coming Sunday, next Saturday, Sunday, they have some typical dates. So this exam, if strength is more students apply, they are conducting in different stages, different questions and different papers, but syllabus is same, quality is same, so they have normalization. See, previously in IIT, JE, etc., they used to normalize the papers, na, sir. So they do normalization. There is a very important formula how to normalize if paper is tough, easier, based on how many students attempt. They have a very great, accurate mathematical formula, okay, statistical formula that is very accurate. So there are 2 stages, but if number of students who applied and writing are more, different dates are there. Suppose I am applied, I got hall ticket on, say, let us say 15th April. Some of you got a hall ticket on 21st April, like that. It depends based on that. But there will be a normalization formula. So you need not worry about it. There will be normalization formula in para 2 of 14.2 and 14.3 of the notice. Okay, what notice? I am seeing the CEN 2018 notification, that you see. Then recruitment process. Only single online application common to all the notified posts are opted in RRBJE, Junior Engineer Information Technology, Depot Material Superintendent, Chemical and Metallurgical Assistant, and has to be submitted by the candidate through the link provided on the official websites only. So what is the way? The recruitment process. So first you have to apply online. And all the different posts, different vacancies are unique to be applied to that specific link only. That is the first thing you should know. RRBJE, yes, you should submit online application to the link provided. So be ready with all your details, signature, photograph, soft copies, and you have to apply. Then recruitment process, yes, I am continuing further. The entire recruitment process shall involve, yes, first stage of CBT, that is computer-based test, and second stage of CBT, that is computer-based test, and document verification and medical examination. So I told 4 steps: CBT1, CBT2, document verification and medical examination. So that are the 4 steps you should understand. So it is a process which take sometimes 6 to 8 months. So notification, exam, results, again CBT2 exam, results, then verification of certificates. You have to go and present in the interview. It's not like interview, just verification of certificates and medical examinations, and then they will confirm the posting. So there are 4 steps here. Selection is made strictly as per merit. Okay, so combining all these 4 stages, there will be the final results strictly based on merit on the basis of CBTs, the date, time and venue for all the activities via CBTs and document verification, DV or any other additional activity as applicable shall be fixed by the RRB. So you need to continuously see this website, sir. So the notification you should continuously see. They will openly declare and give you some time also, but within that stipulated time you have to respond. Then first stage, now let us argue that we are talking now that 4 stages. First stage, common for all notified posts in CEN. Though I am talking about RRBJE, RRB NTPC is there, metallurgical and depot manager is there. For everything, CBT 1 stage is common. So stage 1 CBT, especially for electrical or electronic people, it is compulsory. What is this? This exam duration is 90 minutes or 120 minutes for physically handicapped. Okay, yes, physically handicapped persons with benchmark disabilities, and they can also write this exam with the scribe. Scribe is another person who will be supporting them. But otherwise, for general students who are not physically handicapped, it is 1.5 hours. Remember that. Stage 1 CBT is 1.5 hours. Number of questions are 100. See, sir, see, very good. 90 minutes, 100 questions, sir. So jet speed, you have to do jet speed, sir. That is why in ACE Online, we are specialists. We will teach you that level and we will give you such practice and material that answering question in less than a minute. See here, 90 minutes, 100 bits you are right. That is very important, sir. That is the real thing about this exam. Then the first stage CBT, that is computer based test, is of screening nature, and the standard of questions of CBT will be generally in the conformity with the education standards and or minimum technical qualification prescribed for the post. The normalized score of first stage exam shall be used only for shortlisting the candidates for stage 2 exam as per their merit. So this first stage is mostly like filtering, like lakhs and lakhs of students write. That is a general paper based on the memory and fundamentals of their engineering or diploma background. Very easy, and it has got maths and other sciences, not even engineering, it has got maths and sciences, which I will discuss with you. So there, if you clear CBT 1, and then you will come to CBT 2. Otherwise, most of the students get filtered in CBT 1 only. So that is what, please understand. So there are 2 stages. Yes, there are 2 stages, but in stage 1, you have to clear, then only you will come to stage 2. That is the first thing, based on merit. Then the questions will be of objective type with multiple choices and are likely to include the questions pertaining to, this is what CBT 1. See, CBT 1 is not technical, is not electrical or electronics. CBT 1 is general knowledge or your fundamental mathematics, general intelligence and reasoning like GK, current affairs, etc., etc. Like World Cup this year is in which country, 2011 World Cup who lifted, such questions. General awareness, general science. So please understand everybody. So the first stage CBT is having mathematics. See, we are already good mathematics, diploma and engineering, we are very strong mathematicians. General intelligence, general knowledge, GK we call, general intelligence and reasoning, general awareness, that is news, latest current affairs, and general science. General science include physics basics, chemistry basics, be careful, sir. So this is like not specifically, you require any, deep, thorough, whatever knowledge you gained until now as a diploma or as an engineer is enough there. It is not too tough. But thing is speed exam. It is not tough, but it is 90 minutes, 100 bits. So common sense exams are, yes, that you have to understand. But what is the good thing about this? In ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online, we have released a book, sir. There is a tremendous book we released with more than 4,000 objective questions. If you read, you will know the real standard and you can easily crack them. So please, I will talk about the material later, but that is the thing. Then the section-wise number of questions and marks are as below. So I told what are the sections: mathematics, general intelligence and reasonings, awareness and general science. This is the division. Mathematics, 30 questions, 30 marks. General intelligence and reasoning like GK, 25 questions, 25 marks. General awareness, current affairs like 15 questions, 15 marks. And general science, 30 questions, 30 marks. So total 100 questions, 100 marks, but time is 90. 100 questions, 100 marks, but time is 90. That you please understand. So less than a minute. Then minimum percentage of marks for eligibility in various. See, eligibility marks. That means you should understand, suppose here altogether 100 questions, 90 minutes and general category student should score 40 marks at least. OBC 30 marks, SC 30 marks, ST 25 marks. So to clear this stage, minimum. But sir, getting minimum is not not the real thing, because competitive exams are not about just getting these qualification marks and going. You have to beat the competition, sir. So getting as many as you can in CBT1 will be very important for CBT2. Suppose, let us say an general category student got exactly 42 marks. So he comes to next round, because minimum marks are 40% na, sort of 100. If suppose that student who is open category got 42, he comes to the next stage. But sir, he just got 42, 2 marks just safe compared to the cutoff. Then how much you should score in CBT2? That is not going to be easy. So though these are minimum percentage of marks eligible, but please understand, score as much as you can. Imagine a student in CBT1 scored 80 marks. Then he has got very, very great opportunity to become an RRB JE or engineer in that, because he's beating best to the competition. So getting border marks is not the challenge, but these are the minimum percentage to come to CBT2 level 2. RRB wise shortlisting of candidates for second stage shall be done at the rate of 15 times, may increase or decrease as per the recruitment of the railway administration. That means, what is the meaning of 15 times? Suppose there are 100 posts. Suppose there are 100 posts for RRB JE electrical altogether. 15 times, 1500 only will write CBT2. Suppose there are 1000 posts, electrical RRB JE. 1000 into 15, 15,000 only will write. So please understand, sir. Stage 1, any number of students, but they will filter based on this minimum percentage, such that how many they will filter, it seems. Yes. That means getting border marks is not useful. That is what I am trying to say. You got 42 marks, don't say I am not in CBT2. Maybe the paper was very easy and so many crossed 60, 70 marks, then you will not be there in the list, sir. So scoring border is not useful. Scoring as high as you can is very important, because 15 times the number of posts are eligible for CBT2. So if number of posts are 1000, 15,000 only will write this CBT2. Okay, that is very interesting. Then the shortlisting of second stage CBT will be based on the merit of the candidate in first stage. The RRB wise shortlisted candidate for second stage shall be advised through the official website of RRBs and email to download their e-call letter for appearing in stage 2. So stage 1 also call letter, stage 2 also they will get. Negative marking. There shall be negative marking for incorrect answers in CBTs. 1/3 of the marks allotted for each question shall be deducted for wrong answer. So that is very dangerous, sir. That is very dangerous. CBT2 we are talking. Shortlisting of candidates for second CBT, then document verification and empanelment, that normalization of the marks, calculation of normalized marks for the multi-session papers, calculation of merit index for all papers. Please understand this, okay? So what is that? First of all, I told, because if so many students write, there will be so many sets of exams in different dates, but they normalize based on the paper standard and how many people attempted, which is a tough bit. There is a normalization, so that is very important. And calculation of normalized marks for multi-session papers and calculation of merit index. So all these are considered and then they will come to CBT2. Please understand that. They all consider, and also there is a negative marking. Then stage 2. So CBT1, be careful. So this is very dangerous. So negative marking is there. Then only they will come to CBT2. Now what is second stage? Shortlisting of candidates for the second stage CBT exam shall be based on normalized marks obtained by them in first stage. Total number of candidates shortlisted for second stage shall be 15 times the community-wise total vacancy of post notified against the RRB in the first stage. So that is very clear. Now stage 2 I am talking, it is 2 hours, 120 minutes, 160 minutes for physically handicapped student with some support, but number of questions are 150. See, sir, what is happening? CBT1, 90 minutes, 100 questions. CBT2, 120 minutes, 150 questions, sir. You wrote such exams in your life where the number of questions are greater than the number of minutes allotted for the exam. In BTech, in normal BTech diploma, 3 hours exam, hardly 8 questions you have to write, 5 questions. Of course, they are conventional type, but see the speed required here. 120 minutes, 150 questions, sir. So many students, sir, generally they don't even have the ability to read all the questions. Then where is a way of cracking these exams? But don't worry, here in ACE Online and ACE Engineering Academy, as a team, we will give you such basics and fundamentals where you can crack such exams. Don't worry about that. But see this, 120 minutes, 150 questions. CBT 1, 90 minutes, 100, and also native marking. Syllabus, chalo, after understanding this process, there will be CBT 1, clearly in CBT 1, this is the syllabus I am talking in CBT 1, 90 minutes, 100, so remember this. And for that, we released a book, sir. See, this area, no one is giving coaching, no need. It is your common sense. You do engineering diploma maths, sir, this is general maths, permutation, combination, interest functions, calculating interest, such things. Then general awareness, reasoning, current affairs, general science, physics and chemistry basics definition. So that is not a worry at all. What are autotropes, what are heterotropes, you study such things, very easy. But we have released a book, don't worry, CBT 1 also, excellent material is available from ACE Engineering Academy, and also that part also we are giving coaching, don't worry about it. But CBT 2 is technical, but to come there, yes, we will talk about CBT 2 now, specifically about the syllabus in CBT 2. The questions will be of objective type with multiple choices and are likely to include pertaining to, now CBT 2 also, general awareness, physics and chemistry, basics of computers, basics of environment and pollution, and technical abilities. Now in CBT 2 again there are so many things. Of course general awareness is again common, physics and chemistry are basics. Now basics of computers. Okay, what is HTTP? HTTP, hypertext, you know the meaning, like that. Okay, what are the functions of a mouse in a desktop computer? Okay, what is a pixel meaning? Such things they ask, basics. Because today, working in Indian Railways or anyway, you should be very comfortable with the technology. Then, basics of environment and pollution control. Today, environment studies has become very common, sir. Because whatever we do, green technology in Indian Railways also, we need to implement technology. Polluting the world, corrupting the system is not the case. So, CBT 2 is very powerful. In CBT 2 again, we have total 5. General awareness, physics and chemistry, basics of computers and basics of environmental and pollution control is there. But the 5th is technical. This is the huge weightage. That is where again we are specialist. Of course, there are stages to come here, sir. CBT 1, CBT 2. In CBT 2, again, these are general common, but this is the highest weightage. The educational qualification mentioned against each post will be shown, yes, shown in the annexure, have been grouped into different exam groups as below. Questions on technical abilities will be framed in the syllabus defined for various exams groups given in annexure 7A, B, C, D, E, F and G. The section wise number of questions and marks are shown below. So first of all, in CBT 2, we have total how many? Yes, 5 subjects like things. Of course, this itself is the technical. In that technical again we have so many subjects. So these are like 5 groups, and educational qualification and all this, what sort of questions, what is the level, what is the syllabus, we will discuss now. Yes, now see this. So this is CBT 2. General awareness, 15 questions, 15 marks. Physics and chemistry, 15 questions, 15 marks. Basics of computer, 10 questions, 10 marks. Environment and pollution, 10 and 10. But technical abilities, 100 questions, 100 marks. So total if you add, okay, total if you add 150 questions, 150 marks, but in how much time? 120 minutes. You see this, sir. Okay, 150 questions, in that 150, 100 is technical. That is where the big challenge comes, and that is where the role of ACE Engineering Academy. Of course, remaining also we are giving lot of support material and also classes. But thing is, the core area I am talking. So out of 150 questions in stage 2 of CBT, 100 are technical. That is where you can score more. Okay? Yes, that means if you are electrical people, electrical diploma based level questions, engineer also, that question levels are very easy, sir. And EC students, EC questions, they are very easy. So 120 minutes, 150 minutes. Now see here, minimum percentage of marks for eligibility in various categories here also. See in CBT 2 also, minimum 40% OBC, 30% SC, 30 ST, 25. But I told you, sir, minimum is never useful. Virtual calculator will be made available. Like GATE exam has virtual calculator, you know. Now the CBT 2 of RRB JE also has a virtual calculator, will be made available on the computer monitor during the stage 2 of CBT. So that is very important observation. So like GATE exam, what we write, electrical students, BTech level, virtual calculator is there, sir. So that is not a worry. So calculations are comfortable. Okay. So this is, so these two are very important slides. You can take a screenshot, sir. This is the first thing, that is CBT 1. what subjects, what marks, and how much is the time, how many questions, also very accurate. Then CBT2, this is also very important slide I am talking. What are the subjects, what are the number of questions and marks, and total time. Okay. Then based on normalized marks scored in paper 1, that is CBT exam, candidates will be shortlisted category wise to appear paper 2. The RRB shall have the discretion to fix different cutoff marks in each paper of paper 1. Yes, taking into consideration among others category wise vacancies, category wise number of candidates, etc., etc. So that is a very complex process which they do. Final selection of allocation of ministries or departments or organization will be on the basis of performance of candidates in stage 1 and stage 2, and the preference of ministry of departments organization exercised by them. The final allotment of post are made on the basis of merit cum preferences of post departments given by the candidates. Merit and preferences. Suppose first rank student has merit and he will have his own choice where you want to join, anywhere you like. Rank 50, already some vacancies filled, so you cannot argue there. So merit and preferences. So first rank student will have all the choices, wherever you want you can join. That is the beauty. Okay, that you remember. Then procedure for filling online application. Yes sir, this all you know, but candidate are further advised to visit the website of RRB frequently to get the latest information on various stages of recruitment process or any change in the centralized employment newsletter or notification. Then steps in submitting online. Select the RRB, okay, where whether it is South, Central Railway or Kolkata. First you have to select based on your zone. Registration details, verification of email ID and mobile number, okay, that is very important these days, through OTP. Exam group, which exam you are writing, RRB JE or RRB NTPC. Then set the priority or preferences, detailed educational qualification, choice of exam language choice also. Okay, that is very important. Then now this is a recent thing I am seeing in the website. You go to RRB, any of the RRB website, this is the pop-up, you are getting this pop-up. Now see this notification. Indian Railways have warned the candidates that there is no other way to recruit. Some brokers are cheating you. So warning to candidates on Indian Railway recruitment. Beware of touts and job racketeers. They will deceive you with false promises of Indian Railway jobs through unfair means. All RRB selections are based on merit only. Don't get cheated. So someone approach you that these days I am seeing this. So in Indian Railway website of all RRBs you go, this is the pop-up coming. So I want to share with you. So don't believe anyone who says I will create a job, you give me this 2 lakhs, I know some people in Indian Railways. Contract jobs are waste, sir. You may get some contract based jobs, laborers based jobs, they give outsourcing. Such jobs, there is no permanent. Suddenly they may remove and there is no medical facility, so that illegal things they are promising. So don't do that. But the original RRB JE jobs, you have to go through the process of submitting online application, then getting your hall ticket, then writing CBT1 and clearing the exam with good marks, and then hall ticket for CBT2 and writing exam, then document verification and then medical examination. So there is no other way. Don't believe such things. This is the warning given by them. But there are phone numbers, helpline numbers, please, in case any cheating or anything nonsense you are hearing. Yes, please call this number 155210 Railways Vigilance and 182 Railways Security Control. You can call them. Then, okay, so until now, what is RRB, what are the syllabus, what is the pattern, how to get into, so that generalized things we talk. So until now, what all we discussed is, general things about RRB JE. Okay. Now just for a minute, let me see any queries came. Okay, I want to go with that because it is a live session, sir. We are also used to this, getting used to this latest things. There are so many messages, so many students are saying, hi sir, good evening, when to expect and how many vacancies, that we did not get. See, one student Sarath saying, sir, definitely it will come this year, but we don't know yet how many vacancies. Okay. Someone is talking about me, king of electrical networks, electrical circuits. Yes sir, anyone who cleared, see, EC students, yes, definitely we will also, we are making a video for you. EC also we are already launched the course, but I am talking initially electrical, sir. My subject is of course common for EC and EEE, But EC students also 100% I am telling you, yes, 100% I am telling you, there are a lot of opportunities, even you are eligible. And EC allied branches are more in fact. Electronics and communication, electronics and control, electronics and VLSS, so many posts are there which I will discuss with you. EC also separate session we will have, don't worry. But I am first focusing, see previously one sir was talking about mechanical, electrical, civil and EC. EC also, see just yesterday, everyone, yesterday 7 to 9 you go to our ACE Academy website. Yesterday itself, IT sir, our IT sir did speak on this, okay? Information technology sir. I am talking electrical. EC also will come, okay? We will also discuss about the subjects. Don't worry, EC students 100% you got opportunities, okay? Yes, so as of now, I am trying to answer some questions here, but yeah, so many students are sharing their view, and I will also definitely go through some of the questions as I go deep. Then, let us talk more about the technical part now. So, what is RRB? What are the stages in exam? All this we understood right now. So, now let us talk more about the syllabus, what to do, how to do, which books and which material, and how ACE Engineering Academy and online is helping you, okay? But as I was preparing this slideshow since last few days, 2-3 days, in every RRB website, official website, this is a pop-up I am getting. So contract jobs, don't get cheated with that. The original government jobs, secured jobs are different. There is no other way except through this legal technical process of submitting online application, and application details should be very accurate, and anything you give wrong data also there is a chance of getting rejected, sir. So very accurate, don't bluff. Whatever percentage of marks you got, everything should be very accurate, okay? No mistakes in data you give, that will be UPSC and or Indian Railways, they don't consider. They will put a punish you for some more years. You may not be eligible to write again. So be careful. The data should be very, very accurate, honest. Okay, but there are a lot of vacancies, sir. If you prepare properly, you can beat such exams. Chalo, so this is what you have to remember. Now let us talk about syllabus for electrical and allied engineering exam group JB. Okay, let us talk about this. Now if you talk about this, yes, there are total 11 sections he gave, like 11 serial numbers. Serial number 1, basic concepts. They involve mostly towards circuit theory, concepts of resistance, inductance, capacitance and various factors affecting them, concepts of current, voltage, power, energy and their units. That is serial number 1. Serial number 2, circuit laws. Kirchhoff's law, simple circuit solution using network theorems. Serial number 3, magnetic circuits. See, magnetic circuits is highlighted. Concept of flux, MMF, that is magnetomotive force, reluctance, different kinds of magnetic material, magnetic calculations for conductors and different configurations like straight, circular, solenoid, electromagnetic induction, self and mutual inductance. Then serial number 4, AC fundamentals, alternating current fundamentals, instantaneous peak, RMS and average values of alternating waveforms, representation of sinusoidal wave form, yes, simple series and parallel AC circuits consisting of RL and RC, resonance tank circuit. See, what is the tank circuit? A parallel LC circuit is called tank circuit. A parallel LC circuit is called tank circuit. Then polyphase system, star and delta connection, and in that especially 3-phase power, DC and sinusoidal response of RL and RC circuit. Okay, that is very, very interesting. Then serial number 5, yes, measurement and measuring instrument. Very important subject, sir, for RRB JE. Measurement of power, single phase and 3-phase, both active and reactive. Energy, 2 wattmeter, 3 wattmeter method of measuring power. Measurement of frequency and phase angle, ammeter, voltmeter, both moving coil and moving iron type. Extension of range of wattmeter, multimeters, Megger, energy meters, AC bridges, use of CRO, signal generator, CTPT. What is CTPT? Current transformer, potential transformer and their uses, earth fault detection. These are all very, very necessary in Indian Railways. Indian Railways, I see these people who are technical people in RRB, they carry meters like Megger, voltmeter, multimeters, tong testers and they go on the field. Continuously their life will be on measuring, testing and identifying the fault, checking the status. They have to check, sir, because reliability is very important now, sir. In Indian Railway section, which is the the richest and the most performing sector of our PSUs in India, Maharatna or Navaratna, I can say reliability is very important, because who is traveling in the train finally? Leave about goods train. But even goods train get damaged, the entire track and all people get suffered. Na? So reliability should be very high. That is why maintenance is very important. Yes, this is an important subject, of course. Then serial number 6, machines. Now this is very important. I told na sir, electric locomotives there. DC machine, construction, basic principles of DC motors and generators, their characteristics, speed control, starting of DC motors, method of braking, losses and efficiency of DC machines, single phase and 3-phase transformers, construction, principle of operation, equivalent circuit voltage regulation, OCSC test, losses and efficiency, effect of voltage, frequency and waveform on losses, parallel operation of single phase, 3-phase transformers, auto transformer. Then further 3-phase induction motors, rotating magnetic field, principle of operation, equivalent circuit, torque, speed characteristics. Today they are VSI drives, sir. Olden days Indian Railways, they used to have DC motors, but today VSI drive, voltage source inverter with 3-phase induction motor. That is very important. Yeah, torque, speed characteristics, starting and speed control of 3-phase induction motor, methods of braking, effect of voltage and frequency variation on torque, speed characteristics, fractional kilowatt motors and single phase induction motors, characteristics and applications. So in machines he gave like 3 parts, but the 4th part is given as a separate section, in fact synchronous machine. So we know DC machine, transformers, induction motors, both single phase and 3-phase. But this synchronous machine is given as a separate section, because it is more important alternator side also. Synchronous machine, generation of 3-phase EMF, armature reaction, voltage regulation, parallel operation of 2 alternators, synchronizing, control of active reactive power, starting and applications of synchronous motors. Then sir, this machines, then the next big one is what? Power system, generation, transmission and distribution, the biggest one. Different types of power stations, load factor, diversity factor, demand factor, cost of generation, interconnection of power stations, power factor improvement, various types of tariffs, types of faults, short circuit, current and symmetrical faults, switch gears and protection, rating of circuit breaker, principle of arc extinction by oil and air, HRC fuses, protection against earth leakage, overcurrent, Buchholz relay. Buchholz relay is for protection of transformers. Now, sir, transformer is the heart of power system. Okay, continued further. Merz price system of protection of generators and transformers, protection of feeders and bus bars, because more reliability, protection, see very weightage. Lightning arresters, various transmission and distribution systems, comparison of conductor materials, efficiency of different system, cable, different types of cable, cable rating and derating factors. Okay, power system and machines, of course, they dominate like anything, na sir. See, the 6th, 7th, 8th is our power system machines, and 9th is what? It is also a part of power system, which is extra. Estimation and costing, this is something very interesting, sir. Estimation of lighting, actually we learn this in our BTech and diploma as utilization of electrical engineering, BR Gupta, separate subject. Yes, estimation of lighting scheme, electric installation of machines and relevant IE rules. Okay, yes, rules and earthing practices of IE rules. Indian standard rules are very important. Then or international electrical standard, utilization of electrical energy, illumination, electric heating, electric welding, electroplating, electric drives and motors. Basic electronics, of course, electronics basics, working of various electronic devices like PN junction diodes, transistors, NPN and PNP, BJT and JFET, simple circuits of these devices. So clearly the dominance is our core subjects like machines, power system and fundamental measurements and circuits. See, circuits itself is given 4 parts, sir. You see, observe here. Very interesting I observed is circuits itself is given 4 parts. You see here, basic concepts, circuit laws, magnetic circuits and AC phenomenon. So 4 sections, this only they are giving. Then measurements, machines and power systems. Okay, until here power systems. Then basic electronics. So very simple, machines, power system, measurements, electric circuits. Basic electronics, whatever basics you know, that's enough. So, but is clearly mentioned. See, CBT1 he never mentioned any syllabus specifically. He told general awareness, current affairs, mathematics like that. So that is all basics. But CBT2, that 100 marks syllabus out of 150 marks, 100 marks very clearly mentioned syllabus, and this is where electrical engineer is very fond of. He know they are very, very passionate subjects. Then let us talk just about my subject for a few minutes. So yeah, I gave what is the syllabus, what is stage 1, what is stage 2, how to clear, what is going to be the minimum qualification percentage, etc., etc. Tentative vacancies and when the notification, what is the process of selection, etc. And then general syllabus of entire electrical engineering course in RRBJE. And now myself, PS Krishna Varma, I will be talking about the first 4 segments, which is electric circuits. Okay, just briefly, I won't even add that. Yes. Now syllabus for electrical and allied engineering, even CBT2. Okay, CBT2, please understand, he gave everything together. CBT1, the 12 sections, CBT2 also same, but he combined like this. I elaborated everything. He combined like this. Basic on, see, this is what each section which I told, but detailed we already discussed. Okay. So somewhere in the notification, he also mentioned saying that CBT2, yes, this combined, but at the later stages of the notification, detailed syllabus he expanded. So this is also mentioned, so don't confuse. He gave like this, but detailed syllabus also mentioned at the end of the notification. That detailed syllabus we already discussed, same thing here. Okay, same thing, basics of electronics, utilization, estimation and costing. And this each topic, detailed syllabus he gave in the notification. Then, yes, then here that is what my subject is common for both electrical engineering and combined streams of electrical engineering and electronic engineering. So most of the engineering, see this part, combined electrical, electronic, instrumentation, control, communication, okay, computer science also basics. So some of these courses have, okay, some of these courses have my subject, okay, electrical circuits, we also call network theory. Then syllabus for electrical and allied engineering exam, group JE, stage 2 technical abilities. Now in that syllabus which I mentioned, this is the part where I will be concentrating. So in the notification he gave this and he also explained everything in detail. But in that, what is my role as a network theory teacher or circuit? This part, the first line, basic concept, circuit law, magnetic circuit and AC fundamentals. Bulk of the bits come from my subject, sir. Bulk, okay. Of course, power system machines are also dominant, very important. But see, the white color part is my subject, which is electrical circuit analysis or network theory we call. Then detailed syllabus. Now let us talk my syllabus in detail. Yes, basic concepts, okay, circuit laws, magnetic circuits and AC fundamentals, which I already explained. Now this I elaborated further detail. Now as a network theory or circuit teacher, though he mentioned, now I gave 10 chapters to it. So these 4 parts, 1 that is basic concepts, 2 circuit law, 3 magnetic circuit, 4 AC fundamental. This I expanded further detail into 10 chapters. So in our ACE online course, please understand this, sir. If you subscribe to our ACE online course, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, etc., based on the period you like, my subject is further detailed classified into 10 chapters. That is what I want to highlight. So summarizing the chapters in electric circuits, chapter 1, yes, fundamentals, definition, notations, symbols, units, formulas, basic circuit laws, examples, RLC components. Chapter 2, DC circuit analysis, register as a fundamental component, reduction techniques, mesh and nodal. Chapter 3, then I am talking about basics of time variance, introduction to LNC. Chapter 4, AC fundamentals. See, my style, what I did, DC basics and AC basics, that is the way I am going. AC fundamentals, phasor, J operator, RMS and average values of time varying waveforms. Chapter 5, network solution methods for sinusoidal input power and power factor in AC circuits. Then chapter 6, DC and AC network theorems. Theorems I separated. Actually, theorems was mentioned here. See, in your RRBJE, see, theorems are mentioned in circuit law. But here I am writing theorems where 6th chapter. So, but you will get detailed analysis because this is the correct way in fact. Chapter 7, series and parallel electrical resonance. Chapter 8, magnetic circuits. That is detailedly given us, this magnetic circuits you see. That entire thing, okay, entire thing I gave in chapter number 8. Chapter number 9, transient circuit analysis for first order time domain, basics of second order and solution with Laplace. Even such basics I give. And 10th is polyphase circuits in the 3-phase. So complete 10 chapters I gave. So if you subscribe our course, there you will see electrical circuits and these are my 10 chapters in detailed, excellent content I gave. You see there bits after doing my videos, listening all the content, practicing the examples. You see less than 1 minute I will solve every problem. I solved it in PYQs, you can check that, and that is the speed at which you should go. For example, at the end of every chapter, I solved some 50 to 60 questions. I solved in 30 minutes and 40 minutes. And I will show you such tricks. So if you subscribe, yes, you will find it. Then sir, my subject, which is electrical circuits, that 4 topics, the marks. See, I told this RRBJE 2019 notification is fresh and it is available everywhere. See how many stages it happened, you see. On 1st September, shift 1. In that, my subject came for 8 marks out of 100. Okay, 100 is technical, 8. Then 2019, 19th September, shift 2. Okay, then 2019, 30th August, shift 2, means in the afternoon. 2015, 1st September, shift 1. 2015, 1st September, shift 2, that means morning and afternoon also. 2015, 1st September, shift 3. 2015, 2nd September, shift 2. 2015, 2nd September, shift 3. So these are all shifts. So different places, different papers they are giving, depending upon the number of strength and students who are writing this exam. So each paper is different, they never repeat, but standard is same, and still they do normalization. So the same 2019 RRB exam is conducted at several shifts, sir. In this, some 1,000 students, some 2,000, like that. That is the meaning. Some 1,000, 10,000, 12,000, 5,000, like that they do. Okay, based on that, yes, there are so many shifts. And my subject, you see the average 8, 6, 10, 7, 9, 10, 6, 6, 8, 10, 9. So typically around 10%, 8 to 10% my subject. Okay. So my subject is 6 to 10 marks and average is 8 marks. Okay, average is 8 marks, that you remember. Then sir, about electrical circuit analysis or network theory. Now, see, though this RRBJE is a very fundamental level, but the standard we give is excellent. Because what is the reason? Yes, 80%, 70 to 80% are very easy bits. Whoever prepare just casually, they will get it. But the problem comes with the 80 to 90% and 90 to 100%. 70% are very easy, but 80 to 90% little tough calculations, very deep, formula based, and that is where students are not comfortable. And there are 10% of the bits which are very, very tough, let me tell you, very tough. So when you can beat competitions are when you prepare that standard. So we gave exact required level for RRBJE in our ACE online app, but the standard to crack is slightly inclined towards BTech level, because qualification exam is, he told very clearly, diploma in electrical engineering or BTech in electrical. So the standard is little towards the 10, 15, 20% of the bits. So that is why, sir, if you want to beat competition, you should prepare for the worst case. Don't say this is easy, I will prepare only basic things. No, sir. If you want to beat, prepare for the worst. So see, my recommended textbooks for you, one is Hayton Kemerly, Engineering Circuit Analysis, Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sadiku, and Network Synthesis, Network Analysis by SP Ghosh and Chakravarti. These are extraordinary textbooks in the world. Okay, these two are foreign authors, this is Indian author. But sir, as a student, where is the time for you to read such books? But if you say, sir, which are the best books for network theory or electric circuit, these are the best books. But as a student, there is no time for you, please. Okay? Then, what I recommend? Yes, in ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online, once you subscribe, classroom material also we will share with you, like electric circuits, handbook of electric engineering. And this is the most important accurate material. See, everyone, please take a screenshot of this slide. Take a screenshot. This is what you buy immediately. You will get lot of information about what is RRB, how to apply, all our slides what we are discussing now we are sharing with you. But most importantly, CBT 1, mathematics, general intelligence and reasoning, general awareness and general science of 35 sets. 35 sets, and it is common for all the branches I told now, sir. 35 sets, previous year's questions with solutions subject wise and chapter wise until 2019. Even 2022 we released the book, and that book also is there with us. So please take this. Then come to, yes, RRBJE Junior Engineer 2023 latest book on electrical and allied engineering, CBT 2. This is what we are talking. And that CBT 2 consists of general awareness, physics, chemistry based on computers, and most importantly electrical engineering. This book. So sir, what I suggest is, you see, you first buy these 2 books. See, every student who want to crack, buy these 2 books. You go to our ACE Engineering website or from Amazon, Flipkart. There also our ACE Engineering books are available, our ACE publication books. First buy these 2 books. See them. Write one computer based exam practice test. You will know your level. Then you think about coaching now, sir. You will really know what coaching and what standard is required. So what I suggest everyone is, first buy these 2 books from our ACE Engineering publications, please. Please write a mail to our ACE publication department. It is available in our website, or you can directly buy from Amazon, Flipkart, because the greatness about this material is the solutions are written by the most experienced, talented teachers who are specialists in each subject, and a team of people write, sir. Please understand. I claim one great thing about this institute is ACE Academy or ACE Online. We are very accurate with 0 errors, almost 0 errors. That is the beauty. Our books may not be so attracting and all this, packaging and all this drama we don't do, but solutions are the most accurate, 100% accurate, sir. Okay? So detailed solution and 100% accurate, that guarantee I can give you. So first buy this, see as an engineer where you stand, what level is coming in CBT 1, CBT 2. Then please do subscribe to our online learning platform, which is ACE Online. Then what else you can expect? See, these are the correct books. First of all, these are textbooks which as a teacher I study, but as a student I am not recommending you to buy, sir. They are textbooks, sir. It is not easy. We also share some of the classroom material if you subscribe, but these are the correct. Out of all the books, I prefer these 2 books. First, you should buy these 2. And what extra, from where extra you can expect, means these are the extra areas. This RRB JE is similar to the standard of SSC JE. Staff Selection Commission, okay? JE, RRB, Railway Recruitment Board, Staff Selection Commission. These bits and RRB bits coincide, sir. Similar pattern, similar standard. I saw some of the bits coming from SSC JE directly picked up into RRB JE and vice versa. So better buy this also. 2,800 previous year's questions from 2007 to 2020-21 it is available. Then Genco Transco. See, state PSUs conduct these exams now, sir. Like Telangana State Public Service Commission, they conduct Genco Transco. Okay, a TS PDCL, TS NPDCL, AP SPDCL. So Genco and Transco and Discoms, these bits are also matching. Genco, Generation Corporation, Transco, Transmission, Discoms, Distribution Corporation. These exam bits are also matching the same level because these bits are also without calculator. Okay, very easy fundamental bits, not so great level like IES or GATE. So please read them also. So these 2 books pakka, sir. But where else you can expect? There is a secret now, sir, which material what to study means these bits you study. SSC JE bits, Genco Transco, and UPSC Civil Services objective questions are very good. Sir, because Indian Railways is closely related to Indian Ministry and Engineering Services, these bits also come. So I am telling you the secret from where they come. IES bits, Genco bits, SSC JE, UPSC objective questions. Okay, electrical science. But these are the first books I prefer. Textbooks I never prefer, sir. This is material of classroom. If you, of course, offline we are not offering RRB JE, only online, please. GATE and IES we also offer offline, etc. But this is for classroom material books for offline, that too GATE and IES. But they are accurate. You can even cover all the exams in electric circuits. But these 2 are the best books and these are the extra books I recommend. Now let me talk something about my guru and my institute for a few minutes. Now ACE Online we are talking today, but it all started in 1995 by this great man here. Okay, we all consider him as a great human being and our guru there. Professor Y.V. Gopalakrishna Murthy graduated from University College of Engineering, Usman University, now in Telangana. He holds master degree MTech from NIT Warangal. See, both here only, sir. Selected for UPSC Engineering Services, one of the top in engineering services of AP Public Service Commission. See, actually, sir got selected here, AP Public Service Commission, but he could not sustain there. He was not, he was worried about the corruption, all these things. Then he came out. He started this service to this, educators and also to the students. In 1995 he started. Okay, with the interest in teaching profession, he established ACE Engineering Academy in 1995 in Hyderabad. Actually, ACE was Academy of Civil Engineers initially. It was called Academy of Civil because our sir is a civil engineer. But today it is called ACE and it is providing platform to all the courses in engineering, most of the courses. Civil, mechanical, electrical, electronic, computer science, information technology, so many things, production engineering, everything. So initially it was called Academy of Civil Engineers. That was the intention, but today almost 28 years Yes or no? Today almost 28 years, we have expanded everywhere and we have grown into such a set of exams covering all the technical part of most of the exams. Yes, guided lakhs of engineering graduates for various competitive exams and is instrumental in producing top rankers. So we as a team under the guidance of our sir, we exactly know what to do, sir. That at least promise I can give you, because we are trained here like that. We are trained, we are used to talk what is relevant, what is irrelevant, how to crack exam. Specifically, we are specialist here. That is the only thing I can tell. Then why online? See today, why? What is really happening? See, these are the two proverbs I would like to share. Online learning is not the next big thing. See, 10 years back, 15 years back, before COVID, they were all talking online in future. No, online learning is not the next big thing. It is the now big thing. So this is given by this author, and especially after COVID, you know what happened. In 2020, 2021, COVID, when COVID-19 hit the world, the entire system stopped. How to learn, how to expand, opportunities. Then this is where online platform we started, and today it has grown a lot, and slowly students are also adapting for this, sir. There are advantages, disadvantages everywhere, but definitely I can say technology wise and market wise, most of them are moving towards online. And that is the reason ACE Online was launched, and now it is under the guidance of our sir with so many courses, and most importantly the same quality and the same experienced teachers are giving you the content. These teachers who are having tremendous experience for the last 20 years, 15 years, and when they write material and when they teach at that syllabus, you can expect the correct way to crack these exams. So the solutions are very accurate, the teaching methodology is very accurate, what is irrelevant we never discuss, and how to write answer in 30 seconds, that is what we teach. So yes, we need to bring learning to people instead of people to learning. Those days have gone, sir. Offline is offline, I do respect, but see here, we do bring learning to people. So what is the advantage of online? You, wherever you are in India, wherever you are abroad, you subscribe to our channel, you subscribe to our app, yes, ACE Online app, which I will talk with you. The fees is minimum. Whenever you want, whenever you are leisure, comfortably listen. Married women also, see, I know housewife role is great, but you want a government job, whenever you are comfortable, write these exams, and if you crack and if you get in your local area, you can take a choice. And they are very comfortable jobs, sir, let me tell you. So subscribe. So we need to bring learning to people instead of people to learning. That is what this online course or online learning and teaching platform has evolved. Yes, about ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online, this started in 1995, and this we started in 2018. And after COVID, it became so famous. ACE Online, we merged it now. So we are giving both solutions, offline. But of course, RRB JE and SSC JE, we don't have offline courses, sir. GATE and IES, we are specialists there. But that standard we are already trained. And imagine from our ACE Online, RRB JE and SSC JE, other APPSC, Public Service Commission, Genco Transco, you imagine how accurate we can give. Because we are already technically specialist here with loads of experience. Our team is having tremendous experience of minimum 10 to 15 years only in coaching for such exams. Please understand. Okay, here we count the experience of faculty as number of batches. I myself in electric circuits, some 250, 300 batches I teach. I already did teach. So imagine a single subject teaching 300 times, you know what accuracy, speed and refinement I can do, you imagine about it. The same way all the teachers, my friends and my colleagues, they have tremendous experience here. They count experience in number of batches, 300 batches, 400 batches. And imagine their notes, their level of teaching and the steps in solving a problem is so accurate that you will not find in any textbook. Yes, ACE Online, formerly known as Deep Learn. Okay, few years back it was called as Deep Learn, but now it is called ACE Online. Is India's finest online preparation platform founded by ACE Engineering Academy. With history of 27 years, we have achieved All India rank, All India first rank for 67 times in GATE and 23 times in ESC. So though we are specialists in GATE and ESC, now these exams are more comfortable for us, more easy for us, as that level we already know, we are already doing wonders in this area. You can just take a sample, our material, and you can subscribe our course online and see that standard, sir. Then our platform, that ACE online platform, what it is offering. Now please listen carefully. Yes, ACE Online, formerly known as Deep Learn, is India's #1 online learning platform designed especially to crack competitive exams. Our courses are designed by expert faculty of ACE Engineering Academy. So ACE Engineering Academy faculty itself is teaching there, so no need to worry. We structure our courses carefully and update them continuously to maintain lot of accuracy. Available Android, iOS and Windows app. What are the features? Now this is unique. Online doubt sessions. So we conduct lot of online doubt sessions. 24/7 support system. Any query, any technical problem, any updation, you have doubt, online test series, postal coaching, comprehensive study materials, 700 plus hours of video lectures, yes, recorded videos of course, 100 plus faculties. Out of that, yes, 20, 15 electrical, 20 EC, like that we have got. Thousands of happy students and all India ranks. But see, this is 24/7 support system, online test series, postal coaching. So many of our students in GATE, ESC and SSC JE, RRB JE, with our material they crack, sir. Then imagine how much accurate we are. Just by taking the 2 CBTs they crack the exams. But a student who wants support from us even through our online, please subscribe. Yes, this is our ACE Engineering Academy, ACE Online app. Okay, you can subscribe. First you install and then there you can give your details and select your course and pay the fees. Okay, so say pay the fees there. Lot of courses are available. In that, for example, if you open ACE Online, SSC JE, RRB JE, so RRB JE Electrical is what I am talking here. You can subscribe. Okay, then we also have, yeah, I will also talk something first and then I will come back here. See, this is what I want to specially talk. After opening the app in RRB JE, you have 3 month subscription, 6 month subscription, 12 months. Fees as we have mentioned, but that can change depending upon number of students and all this content we develop. A lot of investment we do. So in that regard, yes, we have mentioned that. But yes, 3 months, 6 months, 12 month subscription of RRB JE. Then, yes, about our app and what are the facilities we can give you. Okay, what are the features of our online app that we mentioned. But now I want to talk something about these things. Now the last few words, I want everyone to please concentrate here. Now most of you are, yes, BTech or BE from electrical science, diploma. See, there is a big difference between university exam and competitive exam. Okay, university exam paper syllabus is fixed and every semester a sub part of power system, sub part of machines, very limited you learn, and you have a choice. Out of 8 questions you write only 5 questions. Simple, whatever comes or from the textbook itself you write. There is no twist there. But competitive exams are knowledge. So university exams you write within the limited syllabus and lot of choice is available, and this is to qualify the student. So 40 marks itself is enough. You will qualify. You are pass. You are ready to get BTech. But competitive exams are not that. Competitive exam is to restrict or filter the students. Please understand the meaning. Normal exams like your BTech, you will qualify. You are supposed to qualify. But here they are filtering you. These exams either this is CBT. Now RRBJE is CBT, computer based, online. Previously it used to be OMR based, like our MSET and other entrance exam. But today all computer based. Today all computer based test. But these exams are to filter out, because you see from stage 1 to stage 2, 90-95% students filter. Only 15 times of number of vacancies are eligible in stage 2. So they filter out like anything, sir. That is very important. Okay, that you please understand. So competitive exams are the exams which may not select the best, but they definitely eliminate the worst. Competitive exams are the exams which may not select the best, but they definitely eliminate the worst. So please understand, they are filtering exams. Now strategy for preparing. Now this is the conclusion words I want to talk. Step 1, understand the difference between university and competitive exam. Please understand, sir, these are competitive exams. You have to beat the competition, get the top marks. Then understand the complete pattern and syllabus. That is what I discussed in the last few minutes or few hours. Complete detail I give. Okay, complete detail I give. So there is a very important step I discussed with you. Then plan yourself based on your strength and important subjects. But of course I never consider this. This is a wrong term. there is nothing like important or not important. In such competitive exam, everything is important. There is nothing like important, but you start with your choice, but cover everything. Then the best resource is previous papers. Then type or try to write one previous question paper within the time given, you will know where you stand. See, I told sir, in CBT 1, 90 minutes, 100 questions. In CBT 2, 120 minutes, 150 questions. You write, you will know what is the standard. Then, yes, then based on the feedback after writing, make strategic preparation plan with the necessary corrections accordingly, based on the feedback by writing lot of practice exams. So this test series, online exams, all we conduct, sir. Support material, notes, hard copy, soft copy, everything we provide. But based on your subscription. You want only online notes or you want even offline notes, that is you want physical notes, everything we can provide. That all depends, but you have to subscribe accordingly. Then please do subscribe and share, sir. This course is now live and already launched. That is RRBJE CBT2 English, okay? Language is English, okay? In that you can take your subscription for 3, 6 or 12 months, but don't wait until the notification come. This year notification is pending. But RRB NTPC already came, so now expect RRB JE Gen. So don't wait until notification come. Be ready, okay? Start your preparation now, okay? And then before I say thank you, let me see any further queries I got. Yes, ACE also offer mechanical engineering 100%, sir. Yes, in few days you will also find a teacher explaining that. Already course is available, okay? So this Deepender Singh asked, sir, is mechanical available? 100% available, sir. Mechanical, civil, electrical and electronic, okay? We are doing one by one. Already course is launched, okay? Already CBT 1 book is available, common for all, and CBT 2 also general part. So you also buy those books from our ACE platform, sir. They are very accurate. Similar videos for Andhra state notification. Based on the notification we will do. See, first we are covering what is the requirement right now, what are the things coming up. As we go deep, we are expanding, sir. Truly speaking, definitely we will do lot of videos, lot of content. See, since 2018, but the real app, our Deep Loan app initially was launched or it became famous during COVID times. We started somewhere in 2018, but when the demand came, when the students know that offline is completely closed, then they turned up online. Now they are aware. They are having lot of platforms now. Now we have become famous. And now we are expanding into all the groups. So in future, from ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online, I can challenge you, you will have lot of areas covered as far as technical team. We are also into MSET, Telugu version, English, okay, engineering entrance test we call, okay, 10+2. So we are expanding in more domains. Yes, definitely your request will be considered. Yes, ACE Learn app available in TV? No. Please no. I don't think so. It is mobile, Android, iOS or Windows, okay, or tablet or PC or laptop. TV version, I doubt, sir. I don't know. I think we did not do yet. So that is what. Please understand. No, it is not about core subject. See, core subject is this part we are giving. General part also there, but CBT 1, there is no syllabus also mentioned. It all basics on basics. That is why you take first the 2 books, see what is coming. You know for that no one is giving coaching specifically. Our 10th class physics, chemistry bits and general science, common sense, awareness, those who have the habit of reading newspaper, for that what coaching, sir? You still want, there are some other courses we give. But yes, specifically here I am talking today about RRB JE CBT 2 I am talking. We cover everything also, CBT 1, etc. The best thing is you install our app, you see what are the things available, everything is available, and first buy the 2 books which I told you. Please buy these 2 books. See, that is what I am asking you. See, we cannot tell, since some student, when the notification come from Andhra, no, that we cannot tell, sir. See, government will take a decision, even the top official there cannot say until the clearance come from the government. But we can expect that in the next few years, what is the information I got from some of my gurus and people working there, that overall in state, PSCs, PSUs, in central, in the next coming 3 to 5 years, so many people are retiring, sir. Already governments, what they did after COVID, they extended the retirement age from 58 to 60, 60 to 62. But now they are all about to get retired. So that way the number of posts are going to come in your near future. That is what I know. So in the next 3 to 5 years, so many people are retiring, state and central government. So be ready, there will be vacancies. Then you will get opportunities. So with notification, I cannot guarantee anything, but they will come, definitely it will come. But the thing you can do is preparation. Please do preparation. The only thing I can recommend is do preparation. Please do preparation, okay? So with this information, yes, thank you, okay? So please do subscribe and install our ACE Online app. See, take a basic course. Then you will know what really we are talking about and how much accurate we are. So all this explanation about RRBJE, electrical and allied branches I did discuss with you. Okay, anything you want to ask, please write. Our YouTube channel is live. You write your comments. I will reply personally, sir. I will definitely reply to you. But yes, thank you. So do subscribe and learn now. Start your preparation now. Don't wait until notification, because the delay in the notification, the complete process may be in a hurried way. Generally, notification should come in March, April, and by September, October the process. But suppose it is delayed and suddenly within 45 days they conduct exam and CBT2 immediately after 3 weeks. There will be no time, sir. There will be no time to prepare. So better start your preparation. So get the material from our ACE Engineering Academy as well. Okay, so subscribe and all the best. Okay, we will see you there, and you can also ask live doubts and we'll personally contact you and guide you to crack such exams. Okay, thank you.